Vega. I'm 20 years old, living in Casili, Mandawi City. I am a student at CTU Main Campus. I am proud of being a working student because I enjoy my work and study at the same time. I realized that I developed my socialization skills and communication skills. I encourage everyone to be more kind and be patient to yourself and to be more confident in front of everybody. I know that it's not easy to be on yourself, and I believe in you because I've been there, but I am still growing and learning because I am a student. Let's us learn together and don't be hard to yourself. That's all.